Welcome to Softspeak's Camp Kitchen. So we've got this Camp Chef one burner stove, and we usually use it with the griddle. Now I poured a little too much safflower oil on there. You got to have a little bit of oil in there to keep from sticking, but I think I did like double what I needed. Now if you don't have safflower, canola is good too. You can probably do vegetable oil as well, but I would probably do canola. I steamed some rice I bought at the grocery store. So you can buy this rice at P.F. Chang's steamed jasmine rice, and it comes in the freezer section, and it takes about 2.5 minutes to steam in the microwave. And it comes in 2 packets, and I used both packets because I didn't think 1 packet was enough. I do that a little bit, and I'll add some that garlic butter that I made earlier. So I made some compound garlic butter. So I took a stick of butter and I softened it throughout the day. I just basically put it out in the morning, and then that evening I took and mixed in some minced garlic, and then I rolled it back up and put it back in the fridge overnight. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of this garlic butter to flavor the rice. And that melts. Meantime, I'm going to add some seasoning. I'll add the onions. Green onions. So I like my fried rice basic. Just a little bit of vegetable and some seasoning. Some soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce. And some sesame seeds, a little bit of sesame oil, and salt, pepper. I also use a little bit of Chinese 5-spice, just to give it a little more flavor. Sesame seeds, I'm going to add that later. Brown this up a little bit, get that butter melted, and then I'll add some additional ingredients such as soy sauce, and got a little bit of sesame oil too. Try to get where the fire is. Now my husband and I have had this Camp Chef and griddle for several years, and we've cooked several different things, including grilled cheese sandwiches and hamburgers for quite a few people actually. It makes really good hamburgers. As you can see, it's really hot, and this is just a single burner. Camp Chef sells double and triple burners as well, but I find that the single burner works just fine. I think I have enough oil here. I gently scrambled 2 eggs. I don't like it overly scrambled. If it has a little bit of white left, that's pretty good actually. Then I'm going to add a little more soy sauce. I had it a little while ago, but only just a little bit. Better to do it a little bit at a time than to overdo it. Or just fun here soon.
Yeah.
Nice. We have ourselves some fried rice. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna roll. Ta-da! Can't wait to eat this. Mr. Hawk. Or Mrs. Hawk. Alright. And there you have it, some home-cooked fried rice, cooked in the outdoors. Well, in the backyard at least.